Introducing the Work-A-Matic SXC vertical bandsaw from Dake. The Work-A-Matic SXC vertical bandsaw is gravity-fed for hands-free operation with blade speeds up to 540 feet per minute and a 9-inch blade travel. A fast setup and effortless changes between cut-off saw, contour saw, and rip saw make it ideal for production. The Work-A-Matic SXC features 4 blade speeds, infinitely adjustable blade pressure, and enclosed guarding for the step pulley and bottom wheel assembly. A flow control valve that's conveniently located on the front of the saw operates the variable feed system with hydraulic feed regulator. The Work-A-Matic SXC comes with a C-clamp assembly, cutting chart, and miter gauge. Add optional casters for portability or a work clamp for greater visibility.